Tiago here. Welcome back or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the Edifier W820NB Plus, this one here, and I'll be comparing it with the Edifier W820NB. So we have a new one, this is the Plus, also has high-res audio. In this video, I will gonna tell you all about them, price, specs, comparing them, microphone sound, everything. So let's start with the price. The Edifier W820NB Plus has a price tag of £79.99 in UK. For the US, the price tag is $79.99. Let's see the price of the W820NB in UK. Is £69.99, so £10 less. For the US, the price tag is $69.99, so also $10 less. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. The Edifier W820NB Plus is available in 5 colors. The one here to review is the grey one. They are made of plastic, but don't feel cheap. In my opinion, the build quality is really good for the price point. The ear pads are made of synthetic leather and very comfortable to use for longer periods of time. There is also a piece of leather in the headband for comfort. The headband is adjustable in different sizes, and the hinge also rotates and twists for better fit. One thing to keep in mind is they are not foldable. Looking at the W820NB, the design is exactly the same, apart from some cosmetic changes, like the logo. On the right side, you have the controls. So, you have the volume up and down, on and off button, and the multifunctions button. There is also the USB-C charging port. Once again, no changes from the W820NB Plus to the W820NB. They are exactly the same. Let's see some of the specs now. And here is when they start to be different. The W820NB Plus has high-res audio with LDAC Codec. The W820NB only has high-res audio, no LDAC codec. Both have 40mm dynamic drivers. The W820NB Plus has ANC of around -43 decibels, and the W820NB around -38 decibels. The playback time also differs, but more on that in a few minutes. The W820 Plus has fast charging comparing to the non-Plus version. The W820NB Plus has Bluetooth 5.2 and the non-Plus version 5.0. Both of them are supported by the Edifier app. Talking about battery life, the W820NB Plus with ANC on and SPC codec will give you around 33 hours of playback time and 49 hours with ANC off. The W820NB will give you, with ANC on, 29 hours and with ANC off, 49 hours. If you choose to use the W820NB Plus with ANC and LDAC codec, the playback time is around 15 to 16 hours, really cuts through the battery life. The W820NB Plus and the W820NB both work with the Edifier app. Edifier Connect is the name. There is no logging needed. You can see the headphones and the battery left. Next, you have the noise cancellation on and off. The ambient mode, where you can choose the gain of the microphone. You can also change the equalizer for your liking. Turn the gaming mode on and off. A simple app, but works well. Before you talk about the most important feature to me, the sound quality, let's see the mic quality. Edifier states that they have clear sound for phone calls. I'll be testing both, inside and outside.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the Edifier microphone W820NB Plus. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this sound. I'm inside of the room, so no noises around, nothing like that. And we're gonna go outside and do the same in a few minutes. I'll also gonna try the normal ones, okay? So I'm gonna do the test with these ones as well, to see if there's any difference in the microphone. Right guys, so now this is the sound of the microphone of the Edifier W820NB. Okay, so this is the NB one, just the normal one, launched last year I believe, and not the Plus ones. So I must say that swapping between Bluetooth between both of them is so easy, so simple. They connect straight away. Thumbs up for this. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound of the microphone, and we're gonna go outside and do the microphone test sound outside with the two. Okay? Right guys, so this is the sound of the Edifier W820NB. So this is not the Plus one. We're outside, lovely day, no wind. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the microphone outside. We're gonna go and swap to the W820NB Plus. Right guys, so now I have the W820NB Plus. So this is the sound of the microphone. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound of the microphone outside of the W820 Plus. Again, so easy to swap them on the Bluetooth, just turn it off and turn on the other one and they will swap, so no problems whatsoever. Let's go back inside and carry on with the review.
Let's talk about the sound quality next. So, I really like the bass. The mids sound good, vocals are good, but could be a bit more detailed. The highs and the treble sound decent, but let's not forget about the price point of these headphones. Talking about the bass again, is punchy and powerful. Again, for the price point, the sound quality is really good. So, my final opinion, the W820NB Plus are a great upgrade, but only in the sound quality, all the rest is the same. They are very comfortable to use, ANC works well, they have deep bass and good mids, great price for LDAC headphones, and also have ambient mode and gaming mode. Just to be a bit picky, the battery life with the LDAC could be a bit better. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Edifier W820 Plus, this one here. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is worth the price? Is worth paying more? Or is worth getting these ones? So with this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.